Osceola County are getting ready to fill sandbags at the Osceola Heritage Park distribution site.
That is where WESH 2's Megan Milano is joining us live right now. And Megan, how is it looking out there?
Yeah, it's pretty busy out here. This site doesn't even open until 8 a.m. and there's already cars wrapping around the building, or around the property rather, and spilling out onto 192. Now, if you're thinking about coming by later today to pick up sandbags at this distribution site, it's a super easy and organized process. Drivers enter through Shaker Rag Road. If you're unfamiliar, that's the roadway that connects 192 with Fortune Road. So drivers will enter through gate 13. They'll be handed bags through their car window. Then they'll be directed to back their vehicle up to one of these piles of sand or dirt. Now, this sandbag location will be open until about 6 p.m. today, but there is another sandbag location opening over at the St. Cloud Civic Center. The hours of operation for that one are noon to 7 p.m. Now, a couple of other things to note out of Osceola County: schools are closed today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Celebration High School, Harmony High School, and Kissimmee Middle will be opening as shelters. Now, Osceola County emergency operations officials, along with officials from the cities of St. Cloud and Kissimmee, will be hosting a media briefing at 11 o'clock at the Emergency Operations Center. We'll, of course, be there to get the latest details on all of the preparations out of Osceola County, and, of course, we'll bring those to you on air and online as soon as we get them. But for now, I'll toss it back to you.